Good morning. I understand you're concerned about something on your child's skin. Could you tell me in detail what you've noticed and how it has changed over time?
囡囡出世大概2個禮拜之後，我就發現佢面上有一個細細嘅紅點。起初我以為只係皮疹，但呢一個月入面佢變得凸起，好似生咗個腫塊咁。
Has the lump changed in color, for example from light red to dark purple, or has the texture of the skin become different?
有，最初係淺粉紅色，而家就變深咗，好似酒紅色，表面仲好似有啲發光，好似皮膚被撐開咁。
Does the area ever bleed, form a scab, or look like it might ulcerate? And does your baby seem uncomfortable when you touch the spot?
暫時仲冇出血或者結焦，但有時皮膚睇落有啲紅。當我輕輕按嘅時候，囡囡冇喊，所以我覺得暫時應該唔痛。
I'd like to ask if the lump has grown quickly or gradually. For example, do you feel like it doubled in size within a few weeks, or is the growth steadier?
我覺得佢長得比我預期快好多，短短3個禮拜，就由一粒細點變成面上好明顯嘅嘢，所以呢個原因就係點解我咁擔心。
I completely understand your concern. From what you've described, this sounds very much like a hemangioma, which is a type of benign vascular tumor. It's not cancer, but it does involve abnormal blood vessel growth.
不過因為佢長喺面上，我係擔心會唔會影響佢將來嘅樣貌，就算佢消失咗，會唔會留低疤痕或者永久嘅痕跡。
Many hemangiomas do shrink without leaving any scars, but some may leave behind a bit of loose skin, slight discoloration, or small marks. If it is on the face, we usually monitor it closely to decide whether any treatment is needed to minimize cosmetic effects.
老實講，我最擔心就係樣貌嘅問題，我唔想個女將來返學會因為呢個俾人取笑。
Appearance can affect a child's confidence, so it's a valid concern. The good news is that modern treatments are effective and safe, so if needed, we can intervene before she reaches school age.
根據你嘅經驗，呢啲情況通常會點發展？你覺得佢變大變深嘅機會高啲，定係隨住小朋友長大會自己慢慢消退嘅機會高啲？定係保持差唔多？
Most hemangiomas do go through a growth phase in the first year, so some enlargement and darkening is expected early on. But in the majority of cases, they eventually start to shrink and fade on their own, especially by the time the child is 3 to 5 years old. From my experience, the chances of natural fading are much higher than the chances of it continuing to grow aggressively.
多謝你解釋得咁清楚，呢個會唔會將來有機會變成癌症？
You are welcome. Hemangiomas are benign and do not become cancer. They are caused by extra blood vessels, not by cancer cells.
我希望有書面資料，咁樣就唔會唔記得今日講過嘅嘢。有時睇醫生時真係好難記得晒所有資料。
That's exactly why we provide it. And remember, you can always call the clinic if you notice any changes or have urgent concerns. We want you to feel supported throughout this process.
真係好多謝醫生，我而家安心好多。我真係好感激你今日俾我嘅時間同指導。